knew it had to be something right there. It had to be something. Yo, Cowboy. Yo, Cowboy. Sit down for an interview, my man. That is a Cowboy Frederica. What up? Yeah, you sit right there. No, you gotta sit in front of the camera, man. What's up? What's going on? Shit, boots on the ground, my nigga. You boots on the ground, huh?
Hey, I'm just organic, man. Yeah. This is straight organic.
Yeah, did you go to the boots on the ground party up there? You didn't go?
I'm from Texas, man.
You from Texas? You boots on the ground? You authentically boots on the ground.
Yeah, organic.
So this your first year for CBC or what?
No, I've been here for a couple of years, man. We used to come. We used to get a booth, but we didn't do it this year.
Yeah, what do you usually get a booth for?
So we have a virtual medicine company. So we got doctors in all 50 states, countries, on-demand access to a primary care doctor, specialist, behavioral health, diagnose, prescribe.
So what did you come here? What did you want to, like, what was your goals and motivation for coming here?
Meet people like you, man. We want to help people, man. We want to get out there. We want to get our word out there, man.
How do you help people? What do you help?
So, again, doctors always help. But what people don't understand is that the third leading killer of Americans right now is medical mistakes and misdiagnosis.
I believe it, yeah.
And not to mention, if you're talking about black people, we're talking about health disparities and care inequality.
Yeah.
We're the really only real solution to that.
Yeah.
That we see. And that's having a compassionate doctor over to kind of guide you through the healthcare system. Yeah. If a doctor knows another doctor's watching that, they treat you better.
Yeah. Excuse me. Let me get that lady right there. Tell the lady. Come here. Come for a second. Hey, let me get an order of fries and another drink. And order fries and a drink. Another drink. The same thing. Yeah, same thing. Keep it consistent. And so what? So you say you came here from what part of Texas, my man?
I'm from Dallas area.
Oh yeah, okay. Man, I was reading about the Karmelo Anthony case down there.
What did he do? I don't know about it.
You never heard of Karmelo Anthony?
I know who he is. I don't know about it.
Not the basketball player. I'm talking about the guy that was living in Frisco.
Oh yeah, I know all about that.
Man, it's crazy down there, huh?
That was a rough thing.
Oh, do you live in Frisco area?
Well, I live pretty close, so I know where the stadium and stuff where that happens. I grew up around that area.
What do you think about it?
Well, I mean, it's kind of the same thing that's going on. There's still racial tension, still divided. When you go to high school and.
But is he like the whole circumstance surrounded? It seems like the news is not really covering it. But he's like, it seemed like he had the right to be up on the 10 or something. I don't know what the circumstances. What do you think?
So again, I don't know it that well to give a full opinion.
Yeah.
But on the surface, it doesn't sound like that.
Yeah.
I hated he didn't just put the hands on him. I hated he had to do something different.
Yeah.
Back when we were growing up, we just put them hands on him.
Yeah.
Put them hands together.
Yeah.
But stuff still happens, and it's unfortunate. And I wish the best for both the White Woods family and definitely him too.
Yeah. What do you think should be done? You think, like, I haven't followed it, and they're probably reporting more on it out of Texas than they are here. What do you think should be done by that case? It said, two sad cases, two young men lost their lives, or potentially losing their lives. What do you think should be done?
I don't know, man. I mean, it's a rough situation.
Yeah.
We just gotta let the process work it out, and hope that even minds and people who can see before prevail.
Indeed.
Again, I wish prayers out to both families.
Did you go to any CBC events while you been? How long you been here?
Yeah, I came earlier today. I did go to a couple events. I went one of the events on government contractors. Was pretty good.
Okay.
Met a lot of good people, a lot of contacts, and it's a great event for bringing people together.
Yeah. What do you think should be like the theme of this event? What's the most pressing issue in Black America that they should be focused on?
I think us coming together. Working together,
like unity, teamwork,
teamwork,
collaboration.
Exactly. I mean, you go back to like the Black Wall Street and Greenwood, those things. When we work together, I mean, we had everything.
Teamwork make the dream work, as they say, right?
That's what I would say. I think it's one of the things.
Why do you think Blacks are having such a hard time collaborating in teamwork?
I don't know, man. I mean, I think that sometimes we look outside of ourselves. Look at somebody else and want to be, rather than doing what we can do together. That's what I was saying.
Your phone ringing. The phone is ringing.
What is your podcast, man? What do you do?
Oh yeah, let me share it with you, my man. I am the urban landlord, John Gall. You can find me right there. Right there, the Urban Landlord. Look me up. Give me a like, share, and subscribe, man. My man, the Urban Landlord YouTube.
What's your number?
The Urban Landlord.
Okay.
And John Gall at the Urban Landlord on YouTube. At the Urban Landlord. Pull it up. I have 2 channels. No, just pull it up on YouTube. It'd be easy. You ain't gonna look it up later.
Just look for me. Yeah, I'm gonna look it up, man. I'm gonna send you a thing, man. I want to come back, man. I done dropped a lot of tea.
Yeah, we allow people to come up on the panel and drop even more tea uninterrupted.
How many followers you got?
Yeah. I don't know, 1,500, 1,600, about 1,500, something like that.
Yeah, I would love to. Let us see what we can do to help.
Man, you come on, man. That's why you need to subscribe so you keep my notifications. We stream all the time.